DIY paper squishy. I made it by myself. So we're gonna rate this. First, let's rate by watermelon. I think she's ugly, but let's see the texture. Slow rising. So good. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna rate this 9.5. 9.5. Next is my strawberry. I don't make butter because I don't like butter now. I love butter, but make it another series. So I make strawberry. Slow rising too. Slow rising din siya, guys. Yes. So I'm gonna rate. Rate. I'm gonna rate this 9.52. Same as watermelon. So good. I made it by my hands, not with the money, because no money. Yeah, DIY. So this is the vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.